Hello, greetings everyone. Welcome to my channel PCTech. Continuing the video series on Excel application. In this video, I would like to share an exercise on time formatting. This is a topic that many people are interested in when working with Excel. How time calculations are displayed, whether in numeric form, text format, or hour and minutes. In this exercise, the requirement is quite simple. Calculate the accommodation time based on the arrival dates and time and departure dates and time, and format the time as specified in the column. The result will be displayed as shown in the file. Now I will guide you on how to format the time according to the requirement. First of all, you download file I put in the description below. This file after download. Now let's calculate the accommodation time in day, hour, and minutes. In cell E3, type the following formula: equal text, open parenthesis, C3 plus D3, close parenthesis, minus open parenthesis, A3 plus B3. Close parenthesis, comma, double quotation mark, D backslash D is minutes, space, S is min hour, backslash S colon, backslash M, double quotation mark, close parenthesis. Enter. We ask the departure date and time, subtract the arrival date and time, and use text function to format the display. This function is versatile and has many applications, so you should explore more about text function. So we done the first requirement. Calculate time in day, hour, and minutes. Let's to calculate time in hour and minutes. In this cell, you input equal C3 plus D3 minus A3 minus B3. You press enter. Then you format it by press Ctrl and 1. Custom and select S, SS. OK. Now we have the display in hour and minutes. Finally, let's display the time in hour. In cell G3, you press equal, open parenthesis, C3 plus D3 minus A3 minus B3. Close parenthesis multiplies 24 hours. Enter. You press Ctrl 1. General, okay, or select in here general, and you see 56.5 hours. Is that simple, right? You should practice this and remember how to format time. Okay, so I have a guide you on how to calculate and format time according to requirement. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.